everyone, how are you? Welcome to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for everyday life. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sprouts. Being healthy is an everyday thing. You cannot stop at one point and say I'm done. It has to be an ongoing thing. That's what I believe in. Limit your portions, eat everything, but limit your portions and you'll stay healthy. That's what I'm doing currently. I'm okay. I'm not saying I'm super thin, but I'm good. I'm doing okay. So let's learn how to make sprouts in today's video. It's simple to make. You can make it at home. You just need 3 days of your time. So plan accordingly and make it. So let's learn how to make sprouts. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. It would mean a lot and it will help me make more videos for you. So please subscribe. Let's see what you need to make moon sprouts. These are the moon beans, green color. This is how they look. And you need a bowl with a cap. So this fits perfectly. So that's why I'm taking it. So let's see how to make this. I like to make my sprouts fresh whenever I need it. I don't like storing sprouts. So if you want sprouts for, let's say, Thursday, you need to start doing sprouts from Tuesday. It won't take much time, but they're fresh, they get ready in time, so you'll have them when you need it. So today we are taking only 1/4 of the cup because that's how much I need. This will be enough for my family. So wash them nicely. I'll wash and then show. Wash them nicely. I'm going to soak them in the water for whole 24 hours. So I won't touch this bowl until tomorrow morning. I'll show you tomorrow morning what to do. I like to keep this bowl in the oven without turning the light on or anything. I just like to store it in the oven because it's nice and warm in there, and it will help the sprouts get sprouts faster. Okay, let's store it in the oven and I'll show you what to do tomorrow. It's been sitting for 1 day. I drained all the water and I'm going to keep it again for 1 day in the oven, and we'll have sprouts ready for tomorrow morning. Look at how beautiful the sprouts are. They are ready to be used. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for 1 week. Use it as quick as possible so that you can start fresh. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching me. I hope you'll try to make sprouts the natural way and enjoy them on your salads like I am going to enjoy on mine. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.